over here at one of the other properties to look at a water leak in a hallway that I saw. I think it's been about 2 days now. No, it was yesterday I saw it. So it is a little water on the carpet. See a water spot? So open this up and see what I can see, because I saw it right down that pipe. We're gonna check it out. So hard to see. I can see it right there. There's a coupling. There's a coupling right there. It's wet from here down, but not from above. That's a water line. It's a water line right there. So I'll cut this open. Cut it open and see what we got. Opened up. Piece of insulation down in there. Piece of insulation on here. So it's definitely this coupling. So we got a weird T. I'd say most likely that's going to be the bathroom sink drain, because the toilet, yeah, you can see it. It's all wet down in there. That's definitely the leak. I'm going to have to figure out. Let's say it's definitely. This is a good one. I don't know if it's the pipe itself or the coupling. It's an old coupling. It's a little wet right there. It's definitely right there where it's coming from. So I'd say most like what it is is when the bathroom is being used, the bathroom sink or the toilet upstairs, when that's being used, that's when it starts to leak. But I don't know if it's actual. I wonder if I can get that fitting out and replace it. See what, I'm gonna cut this open a little bit more. See if I can, because I'll have to cut this line in order to remove this and put new couplings in there. So I think that's an old stack, man, because this is new. This is a sewer stack. I bet that's a vent stack. No, this is going to be the stack that's taking care of the sink. I don't know why, but let's cut this open and see what happens. I don't know what this is. That's pretty small. I bet you that's a bathroom sink drain. About an inch and a quarter. There's a stud over here, but his bathroom's over there somewhere. So at least what I can do is, I can cut this here, take this off, and then I can get this out of here and put new couplings on here. I don't think it's coming from up here. I think it's actual wall. You know what I mean? I think it's the wall. Hey, let's go turn this guy's sink on. So I'm feeling the pipe to make sure. Yep. I see the water. You can just barely see it. It's not coming from above. It's coming from down here. But there it is. Right there's the hole. You know what I'm saying? The hole is right there. It's really, really, really super hard small. Looks like it might be in the casting a little bit. But, yeah, so see what's happening is the water is running in this pipe and it doesn't have a lot of pressure. So it's kind of running down the wall of the pipe. But that's definitely, it's coming from this area right there. So if I wipe it off a little bit, I get a piece of insulation, something that's dry. So it's not coming from up here, because this is dry. This right here is dry. Yeah, it's not, this, all of this up here is dry. So it's the casting itself has just rotted. So, well, piece of waters. Man, there's a bunch of little bugs all over that. A bunch. They're little tiny little white bugs. Might be some sewer mites. But we gotta do something about this. I can't put a sleeve on this. I don't know. We'll figure it out. See if I can, if you stare at it, they're real super tiny little bugs. I don't know if you can see it or not. But, I mean, they're down here at the bottom. I don't know if you can see those or not. I'll hold still for just a second. That's a new one on me. I ain't never seen those little white bugs on a sewer line before. But, well, at least we found the problem. We know where it's at. We just gotta figure out how to fix this. Good times, man. Let's get this done, man. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off. And then I'm gonna cut this, take these off. I have to use a big pair of pliers to spin them. Get those out of the way. We'll put the big boot back down on it. Reconnect. Alright, cool. Cool. I gotta cut that. Get that out of my way. When I took that band off, go ahead and give it a little slice on there to kind of break it loose. The pipe is separating. It's split. Big old break all the way down through there. Yeah, this complicates it a little bit. Then we'll have to get PVC. Insert, bro. We'll have to redo this. I wonder how far down the split goes now. You know? Let's see what we can do with this. Massive years of drainage. See how that builds up. It's got a little bitty hole for that water to come out of. So it's pretty well done. So it's right here for now. Yeah, it splits all the way down through there, man. That's old cast iron too. Well, this went from easy fix to oh my gosh. So it's not that big of a deal. It's a piece of freaking cast iron. But yeah, I can see it splits all the way down through there, man. Let's open this wall up a little bit more and see how bad this is. That is some kind of what the shit. I was looking up in there. I don't know exactly what that's being used for. I think that's nothing more than a vent stack. So what we're gonna have to do, because that's 2 inch. This is 3 inch. That's inch and 1 inch. That's 1 inch copper. So we got 1 inch, 3 inch, 2 inch. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's, yep, I can see a tag right there. It says 2 inch. So what we're gonna have to do, shit. Man, if it wasn't for that damn clean out, we'd be alright. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to cut that off. I'm gonna have to, because man, that's tight down there, dude. That's tight. So what I'll have to do is cut it off, come up, wire it out for this pipe, bring it up to about right here where this coupling is, and put another Y over for this vent. I think that's what that is. Because this is done. I can't, it's all the way down through there, man. Here. If you hit it hard enough, you see it splitting all the way down through there. See? It's broke off in the floor. Looks like it goes down about another 2 foot. So this is done. There's nothing I can do with this. I'm thinking that's a vent stack. If it is, I can just put a Y on it and Y and reconnect. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's going to be a vent stack. An old vent stack. Or it may be the drain for the bathroom sink. Old school. Why they would just leave it there? I know it's too. I seriously doubt that that's sewage for like a toilet. I think that this is a vent stack. But then again, it does tie into copper. It goes straight up into the ceiling. It's vent. I don't know why it's going right there, unless it's going over in the kitchen sink, because there's another clean out right here. I bet that's what it's done. It's just like this, but over here too. So we're gonna have to go 2, 3, 1. Let me. This is an 1.25 inches. I don't know if that's gonna catch or not. I think it's a 1 inch. Yeah, I can get this 1 inch. Okay, so let's go get some more parts, man. And hopefully nobody uses the sink while I'm gone. Okay. Rule number 1, never leave your tools. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's got a catchphrase. You know the saying from Home Depot, this is where doers get things done. By the time you call me, I'm a doner. I'm already done with it. Anyways, check this out. So I got it all tore out. reduced an inch in the, that's actually 1 inch, but 1.25 coupling. Reduced down, step down, cut the pipe off, cut it off. No, there was already coupling there. And they got rid of that. I'm pretty sure that's just a drain for the small sinks, just like this. So what I did with that down there temporarily is just to foam it in, that to keep sewer gas coming out, because today is Friday and it is 4:45. I got that done in a half an hour. Cool beans, man. Hey man, just be a doner. Just get it done, dude. Just get it done.